Hey there, origami enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to make an origami bird using just $2 bills. It's a fun and creative way to turn your cash into art. Let's get started. Instructions. Step 1. Fold a dollar bill in half. First, take one of your dollar bills and fold it in half lengthwise. Make sure to create a neat and precise crease. Then, unfold it to reveal the center line. Step 2, fold the sides to the center. Next, fold both sides of the bill inward to meet the center line you just created. Press down firmly on the creases. Step 3, fold the back up. Flip the bill over and fold the bottom edge up to the top, creating a sharp crease. This will form the base of our bird. Step 4, repeat with the second bill and attach them. Now, take your second dollar bill and repeat steps 1 to 3. Once both bills are folded, attach them together by inserting one into the other. This will be the body of your bird. Step 5, fold along the diagonals. Fold the attached bills diagonally from corner to form an X crease. This will help shape the bird's body. Step 6, create a smaller triangle. Fold the bills in half again along the diagonal creases to form a smaller triangle. Press down on the creases to keep them sharp. Step 7, fold once more. Fold the triangle in half one more time to make it even smaller. This will make the bird's body more compact. Step 8, fold the top down. Now, fold the top point of the triangle downwards. This will form the bird's head. Make sure to press the crease firmly. Step 9, create the wings. To make the wings, fold the sides of the triangle outward. These will be the bird's wings, so adjust them to the desired shape. Step 10, shape the head. Fold a small portion of the top point to create the bird's head. You can adjust the size to make it look more natural. Step 11, fold the tail. Finally, fold the bottom part upwards to form the bird's tail. Adjust it as needed to complete the shape. Step 12, finishing touches. And there you have it. Your very own origami bird made from dollar bills. Adjust the wings, head, and tail to your liking. For a neater finish, you can place your bird under a heavy book for a while to set the creases. Closing. Thank you for joining me in making this beautiful origami bird. I hope you enjoyed the process and found it easy to follow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more origami tutorials. Happy folding!